much I miss this, Dutch.
You never were that smart.
Hawkins, you up?
Lines away.
Pilots have each got one round in the head. Whoever hit it stripped the shit out of it.
Took him out with a heat seeker.
There's something else, Major. This was no ordinary army taxi. It looks more like a surveillance bird to me.
Pick up the trail yet?
Billy's on it. Heat seeker, Dylan. It's pretty sophisticated for a bunch of half-ass mountain boys.
Major!
I guess they're getting better equipped every day.
There were 12 guerrillas. They took the 2 men from the helicopter. But there's something else.
What do you mean?
6 men wearing U.S.-issued army boots. They came in from the north, and then they followed the guerrillas.
Mean anything to you?
Probably just another rebel patrol. They operate in here all the time.
Get ahead and see what you can find.
Yes, sir.